Come on over here, you. What animal are you today?
I'm a bird.
What kind of bird are you?
National crow. Just
A what?
Space.
A what?
I'm a hawk.
Oh, you're a hawk. What kind of hawk? Chicken hawk? Sparrow hawk?
Yeah, sparrowhawk. You know, just came back from space.
Oh, did you? Where did you go? Did you go to Saturn?
I went all the way to Pluto.
Did you?
Even in the sun.
Did you see any Travis puppies on Saturn?
No.
You didn't stop there?
No.
You gonna go for another run? Another flight?
Yeah.
All
I was
right.
just gonna. That's the place I go to when I come back, okay?
Where is she?